Nikola Tesla was born in 1856 in the hills of Croatia. Croatia was part of Austro-Hungarian Empire at that time. Nikola was the fourth sibling of a Serbian Greek Orthodox clergyman who conveniently worked next to his house. The father planned for his son a career in priesthood. Nikola wanted to become an engineer. Finding solutions for technical problems intrigued Nikola from young age. He observed that if one wants a frog to pay attention to bait, the bait has to keep jiggling, imitating the call of a crow from the middle of a bush will make the birds curious, and sooner or later one will sneak in. A top of the line invention for young Nikola was to harness bugs to a rotating jig. Trying to escape, the Maybugs spun the contraption. High school was a bore for Tesla, except the physics class. The physics teacher fired his imagination. Today, the same fascination can be brought up in talented pupils. Here's one example. I just hope that next time somebody would say, finish first your sandwich and use some protective gears on your face.
So what's that doing? What's happening right now?
It's making a spread.
Tesla's first encounter with the topics related to the most important discovery of his life was at the Polytechnic School of Graz. The physics department got a Grammy dynamo from Paris. Tesla observed that the brushes on the machine were sparking badly. Tesla insisted that brushes are not mandatory. Probably Tesla was wrong in this instance, but the seeds of one of the most important inventions have been planted. Tesla quit Graz Polytechnic School in the second year. He never got a higher education degree, but Tesla was not made to disappear in oblivion. In 1881, Tesla got a job as electrician at the Budapest Telephone Exchange. With his ability to see in his mind complicated electrical circuits, Tesla advanced rapidly. In 1882, Tesla was offered a job in Paris at Société Générale des Téléphones. Société Générale des Téléphones was the Edison company. Tesla never looked back. The 80s were tumultuous times for the electric power system developers. Tesla was in the front line. In November 1886, George Westinghouse, William Stanley, and Oliver Schallenberger built the first commercial AC power system in the USA. In April 1888, Galileo Ferraris made public his AC polyphase motor. May 15, 1888, Tesla stands before the American Institute of Electrical Engineers showing his polyphase motor. George Westinghouse is impressed and recruits Tesla to join Westinghouse. In 1895, Westinghouse finished building the power system for the Adams Power Station at Niagara Falls. It is a Tesla two-phase 25 Hz power system. By 1895, the Niagara Falls Power Company began generating thousands of kilowatts. Today, the only thing left is the transformer building. The power station have been demolished. Transformers are gone. The only thing vibrant in the area is the memory of a brilliant inventor. By the 1900s, the AC power system in America was in place. The frequency was changed from 25 Hz to 60 Hz. The phases were used, not the two phases as in the Tesla system. But those things are details. The main thing is that a young man came from the hills of Croatia to turn America on seemingly unlimited power. I'm not disrespectful here. Just pay homage to the human spirit.
Well, the idea is they make it themselves so they understand how it works.
Yeah, because I got it in that room. Yeah. Like, I'll sign across the front. Like, if he has like a beast motorcycle, yeah, he has a gun.
With the big job, the AC power system, out of front burner, Tesla hardly could wait to tackle the A-core coils, the high frequency coil. The necessary competence was the same as before, but an immense new field was there to be explored. Tesla felt that, and probably this is why he did not care too much about his contract with Westinghouse. In July 1891, he developed various apparatuses that produced 15,000 cycles per second. In 1892, he delivered a lecture called Experiments with Alternate Current of High Potential and High Frequency before the Institute of Electrical Engineers of London, at the Royal Institution, and at the Société Française de Physique in Paris. He was suggesting that messages can be transmitted without wires. After that, year after year, more and more Tesla coils were produced all around the world and become standard feature in learning laboratories. In device with ferromagnetic core, the core intensifies the magnetic flux thousands of times. The electron moves without bouncing back and forth inside each cycle. At resonant frequencies, energy is transferred efficiently to the small diameter coil. Some of the electric field loops on itself, embraced within each loop by the magnetic field it created. The component of the electromagnetic interaction is behaving like light and is radiating. Although Tesla did not have a good understanding of electromagnetic radiation, and his concept was a bit too mechanical, he knew very well that he had a treasure in his hands. Tesla understood that at high frequency, electromagnetic energy can travel away. Based on this observation of his and others, he designed and built a remote control board. Of course, he patented the idea. Tesla thought that the electromagnetic energy emanated from his coil can be harvested far away, and he patented the idea. Tesla thought that his beam of energy can be modulated and carry around the globe vast amount of information, and guess what? He patented the idea. Working in isolation, overwhelmed by a deluge of ideas, and getting older, once in a while Tesla got weird. This should not eclipse even for a second the brilliancy of this inventor, born on the hills of Croatia and lived to contribute to the advancement of our civilization.
Românul n-are noroc, dar se pricepe la tot. Fură stampila de voci, o poartă ca un breloc. Și totuși urmă fără cheie. de vor ce poartă